Hello everyone, this is Becky, and today I'm going to do a flip through of my garden journal. This is part of the digital kits from Calico Collage on Etsy, and it is the garden journaling kit, and it is a soft cover paper and file folder and fabric and lace. And so see, it's approximately 6 by 8, a little bit shy probably, or no, actually 6 by 9, a little bit shy of 9. And its closure is with muslin and grommets, and there's a little pocket here on the front. So handmade tag that I made this flower on the front, and it pins on so you can undo it and wear it, put it on something else, wear it. Okay, here's the inside cover, fabric and paper pocket, and paper backing on the inside. The pages have all been stitched together. This is a journaling tag. And here's part of the kit, the pages from the kit, and I backed them with tea stain, coffee stain paper and some stamping. This is a picture that was gifted to me from inside of a book, and it opens up and I have stamped there. Tea stained paper and the paper from the kit, and this is the paper bag that I've got for pockets, and also some journaling cards in here. Another page from the kit, and tea stained paper. Here I have a tag that I made, and this image came from the kit, as well as this was cuttings from it, and this other little tag here with the watering can. And this is a pocket that I put on here with some lace. There's a paper bag with a bird, and inside are some more journaling spots, veggies, and flowers. Here's some berries, and a tag with grapes. And sorry for shaking the camera. And another page for journaling. The pocket is from the kit. Again, aren't these pages just lovely? And I like the little vintage looking tabs on here so that you can like write sections if you want to. I made this journal kind of in mind with actually going out and taking notes on your garden and specimens and things like that, and soil testing. So that's why there's lots of places to write, also places to diagram if you want to. Here's another bag, some more tea stained paper. On this side I have a fabric collage, and it says grow, and you can tuck something up there, and these all lift up and you can write underneath. And here says I stamped growing secrets, and this is a flip so you can put some secrets there. This little bag I made to go with the kit, and it says specimen collection, so you can actually put some specimens in here if you want to, and there's a seed packet of some flowers in there. This is a plastic sleeve that you could also use to put things in, and I just have some paper. It opens here on this side and it's see-through, so you can maybe press some flowers in there if you wanted to. Observations here, and it's got listings, and I have several pages here so that you can, several lined pages here so that you can actually do some recording of things in your garden, of things that you wanted to jot down, maybe some dates, things. And here's a fabric and card pocket that I've added here, and this is an envelope that opens up and it has writing inside, and it has a couple additional cards to write on. And here's a packet of lavender seeds and some stenciling. And this is the center of the signature. It's one signature, and here's some little journaling cards in this bag. Another blank page if you wanted to diagram your garden or something, and some lined. This is another section of lined paper that you can do recordings on. And the other half of the little clear plastic, I have a little watering can in there. And this is a top corner tuck, and here's a tag here, and you can write on the back. And this is paper from the kit that you can write on both sides, and a journaling card here. And a little snail that you can put somewhere if you want to. Let's see. Another part of the journal kit. And here I made a tuck with the little wheelbarrow, and there's some stamping, and here's some, these cards here are from Calico Collage Dragonfly Delights kit, and I had left over, and I thought they would be really cute in here as well. And paper bag, some more tea stain paper, and then this is some more of the journaling kit. Okay, on this side here I made a pocket with several tucks. You can tuck from the bottom. Here's a spot here. Then I've got some radishes here, a package of radish seeds. Here is some squash, zucchini squash. That's another pocket, and then this is the back pocket here, which is some lettuce. So there's plenty of tuck spots there. And here's some more pages from the kit. This is a little fabric pocket that I made on top of paper, and I stamped seeds and stamped some flowers on the fabric. And then this is actually book pages. These are impatiens seeds, and these are marigolds. And here's another paper, full-size sheet of paper that you can write on. And here's the other half of that butterfly page. And this is the last page. Again, another pocket with a farm fabric and some old lace and trim, and another card. And then this is the back, and it also has a little pocket here There's my tag. Here we go. It also has a little pocket on the back, so you can stick something in if you want to. This is the spine with reinforced with fabric, and the base of this cover is those hang folder that you put in your desks to store files in, and so it's like Tyvek. It's pretty flexible, so I like using that. It makes for a good base for a soft cover. So anyway, this is again Design Team Calico Collage. She has a lot of cute stuff, so check her out on Etsy. I'll have the information listed in the bottom below here. Please like my page if you can, and give me thumbs up. Share it if you'd like. I'd like to see if I can get some more subscribers, and also check out Calico Collage for some awesome kits, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop as well, and that'll also be linked below. So thank you